Hello students, welcome to StudySuccour's question and answer videos. My name is Shibadrita and I teach maths and science at StudySuccour. So let's have a look at this very interesting question from Class 8 ICSE Concise book, chapter Force and Pressure, back exercise, question number 10. So the question goes, the base of a container measures 15 cm by 20 cm. It is placed on a tabletop. If the weight of the container is 60 Newton, what is the pressure exerted by the container on the tabletop? So here first we will find out what all parameters are given to us. Here we can see that the length and breadth of the container are given to us. So we can easily find out the area of the base of the container, which is length into breadth of the container. Now these are all in centimeters. We have to convert them into SI units, that is meter. And we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. So we can convert this into meter like this. 15 centimeter equals to 15 by 100 meters into 20 centimeter is equals to 20 by 100 meters. So from here we can find the area of the base of the container in meters as 15 into 20, that is 300 by 100 into 100, that is 10,000 meter square. Meter into meter is meter square. Now this 0, this is equals to 3 by 100 meter square. Also we are given the weight of the container. Now the weight of the container is the force or thrust exerted on the tabletop. So magnitude of force. F is equals to 60 Newton. Now we know that pressure exerted P is equals to magnitude of force F by area of the base equals to A. So pressure P is equals to force, that is 60 Newton, by area of the container, that is area of the base of the container, that is 3 by 100 meter square. So P is equals to 60 into 100 by 3. This is Newton, this is meter square. 3 and this is 20. So pressure P equals to 20 into 100, that is 2000 Newton per meter square. So this can also be written as 2000 pascals. So our final answer, our pressure is equals to 2000 pascals. So students, that's all for this video. All my solution PDF as well as video classes are available on the StudySuccour's website in study notes and solutions section. Link in description. Do like this video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to send this to your classmates. Thank you.